cutting the pumpkin.
I don't see any seeds in it. Are you making a video?
Yes.
It's so hard. It's
down
like a
there.
rock. I can't even cut it.
Then try like poke it.
You want mommy cut rock?
It's so hard like a rock. You guys want to see what's inside of it?
Yes. Yeah. I might have to like.
You guys are gonna have to wait around.
Oh my gosh, it's like a rock. It won't even let me cut into it. And not working.
Let me try. I promise I won't cut my hand.
No, you will cut your hair. Oh, you know what? If we could smash it, then you guys can see what's inside. River, where's your big rock? Where's your big rock, River?
What rock?
I don't know. Give me a giant rock to smash it.
Mommy cut rock?
Okay.
Ready?
Got it.
Ready?
You already broke the two.
The stem. Whoa.
Whoa, lots of seeds.
Okay. Okay, you guys can go crack it open on the table.
Okay. Open it. Guys, this is so cool.
Mommy
If you got a pumpkin,
okay,
cut it open with
someone
a
has to
big
help Mommy.
diamond
Mommy
block.
doesn't have energy.
Here, let me open it.
Oh, you opened
my
it.
gosh.
Oh, there's so much
The
yummy seeds.
Yummy pumpkin seeds.
Thanks,
plant
Mom.
Oh yeah, we should dry them and plant them.
Yeah. I never had
Wow.
a in my life.
You want to touch it?
This
or
is
no?
an
No, no,
amazing
give me
pumpkin.
Okay, yeah, it's very slimy, yeah. You don't even know what it feels like, Joshua. You didn't even Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe and do subscribe if you can.